Williams, and I'm with Simpson Strong-Tie. We chose Lean and their products to help us along our Lean journey. We also practice Lean here as well. We had stacks and stacks of material out on the floor, and due to that, we were not able to practice FIFO. We have what we call fish here as a joke, so first in, still here. And with that, we were having issues of stacking our sheet steel on top of each other, causing crowning of the material. We had run this material, causing our turrets and lasers to actually crash because of the crown of the material, causing punches to hit the material, break, cause downtime. So with this also was the cost savings for less machine downtime, as well as uptick in efficiency to get more product to the floor and out to the customers.